Today we will be learning a reading and writing process. It consists of active reading, thinking, and writing. We will be going through this process first, together, and then you will be required to follow the process as we continue to practice good reading and writing skills. Why are we doing this? In all of your classes, you are asked to read challenging text to help you learn material. When you learn how to actively read difficult passages, you will improve your understanding of the reading. These types of questions are used on all types of assessments, on the Regents exams, on the SAT, and the ACT. By implementing this active reading and open response writing process, your performance on these standardized tests will improve. In college, you will be constantly challenged with difficult reading, and the process we use will help you learn how to attack these difficult readings and learn how to write strong responses. As you move into your lives beyond school, you will be faced with challenging readings in your professional and personal lives. In the workplace, you will be asked to read and respond to important documents relating to the work, and in your lives, you deal with tax forms, manuals, contracts, etc., which present challenging reading material. Our steps to success. So today you will learn 1. How to actively read using specific strategies. 2. Open response writing steps that we will follow not only in this class but in other classes. 3. How you will be assessed using the rubric that you will be given. And 4. The implementation process. The first thing we need to do is determine the purpose for reading. Carefully reading and analyzing the question helps you determine the purpose for reading. The why. So at this time, I'm going to hand out the article that you're going to use for your essay in this class, and attached to that are the active reading strategies and the prompt, your rubric, and the flowchart that you will use to create a template for your essay. So please pause the video while the copies are distributed. So everyone has their handout. Please turn to the steps that have the active reading strategies. The first thing we're going to do is read the question, which is the prompt. In that prompt, you are going to circle key direction verbs. For example, write, draw, explain, compare, show, or copy. You're also going to underline important information that is relevant to answering the question. We want to leave out irrelevant information that is not important in helping us find the answer. Third, you're going to rewrite the question in your own words, stating what it's asking you to do, and then develop your plan to answer the question. So the first thing we're going to do, again, is read the question, prompt, or directions. We're going to circle key direction verbs, and we're going to underline important information. Please follow as we go through the one that's on the board. So this is a prompt from an article called Chasing Tornadoes. Based on the interview, explain the frustrations and rewards Bluestein has experienced as a tornado chaser. Support your answer with relevant and specific details from the interview. And some important verbs that we might circle are explain, support, some important words that we might underline are frustrations and rewards, experienced, relevant, specific details. Now we have to rewrite the question. The frustrations and rewards Bluestein has experienced as a tornado chaser are blank, blank, and blank. Because we need to have 3 pieces of evidence from the story.